so now this is loose. Let's get it off that chain. There we go. Get it on the workbench, open this thing up, see what's going on inside. Alright, so here's our gearbox, or transmission gearbox. The first thing I'm going to do is get this gear off of it. So we've got a 1/2 inch socket, 1/2 inch wrench, looks like we've got a chunk of metal here. I wonder where that came from. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts holding that on. And one more. Well, no obvious damage, but I cleaned the grease out of here, clean this all up, and we'll see what we've got. Alright, so here we have the gearbox all cleaned up, pulled apart, and look, it's even John Deere green. So these two boxes look like they're actually in really good shape. The gear actually is in good shape, and that's got some green on it yet too. Now these are the gears themselves that were inside, and there's a little wear on these, but these three actually look still usable. But I think I found the problem. If you take a close look at that, you'll see that these teeth are broken and ground, and it's in pretty bad shape. So we're going to open up that other parts snowblower that I've got, pull that one apart, and see if we can get some better pieces. Alright, so here's the unit that came off of the other parts snowblower, and I tell you what, this thing was so rusted up I had to literally cut these axle off to get it out, because I was beating on it. So hopefully what's inside is better than what's on the outside. Gonna have to tap it open with a hammer. I'm sure that's shaking the camera a little bit. There we go. It's a little bit. Let's get a screwdriver in there and pry that open. Ooh, dry, dry, dry. Look at that. Full of dirt. Well, although it's dry, it looks like it might clean up pretty decent, these gears. Getting these off are going to be a little tricky. But I do have good gears here, so I'll clean up what I can. Alright, after more beating and pounding to get this all apart and get the axle out of the middle of this piece. Here are the gears that are all cleaned up. They were just dry and dusty, but once I clean them up on the wire wheel, they're actually in great shape. They're much better shape than that one over there. So this thing here is pretty crusty looking. I may or may not clean that up, but no need to for this project because I've got this one already cleaned up, and I will be just dropping these in here and making that work. So let's put this back together.